Hey guys, it is Bradley with the Plant Corner. We are repotting my Monstera Constellation today. We got this from Walmart, and um, I got it actually for $10. I noticed that at the bottom of the nursery pot, the roots started coming out. So I'm like, yes, it's time to repot it. It is time to let it get some good growth. So what I'm doing here is we're just getting this bad boy ready to go. I am taking that dirt and getting it cleared out of there. That tool was just too sharp, so decided to go the old way and just go ahead and get my hands dirty. So we've got the roots there coming out of the bottom, you guys. So I'm trying to be as careful as I could. There was a little bit of root damage, but it wasn't too bad. All right, take a look at these roots, you guys. Those are nice. We're gonna go ahead and we're just clearing off the rest of this dirt here, getting it looking pretty good. You guys, I'm so excited to get this plant repotted into something where it's gonna have plenty of room, with plenty of drainage. Oh my gosh, you guys, so excited! All right, so we've got that dirt cleared away. We're going to go ahead and set that over there for now. I'm going to push some of this other dirt out of the way. I just really don't like it. I'll probably end up getting rid of it instead of recycling it. I don't know, it's just holding too much. So we're going to go ahead and transfer it into, I believe this is a 6-inch pot here. I did mix up some soil. It's a bunch of perlite, some orchid bark, and then some of that Mother Earth soil as well. Super excited to see how this goes. It is super well draining. It just looks so good, you guys. I'm super excited. We've got chunky soil. All right, let's see how she's doing, how she's gonna fit in here. Uh, y'all, I thought I needed to add more soil. Yeah, I didn't. I didn't. All right, let's try this again. So we're gonna place her in here, get her right into the center. Oh, I'm so excited. And so I'm trying to figure out here, like, I need another hand. So thanks to my friend Tori, she's there to hold it for me, and then I can go ahead and backfill and get her put into place real well. All right, let's go ahead and put the post in here. Now, this is a core fiber. I don't really like this for some of my plants, but this is mainly just going to be for support. If I was really trying to size the leaves up, I would probably put this on a moss pole. But right now, we're just going to go ahead and do it like this. We've got some plant-safe Velcro to put on here to hold it up on there. And y'all, every time I keep like, oof, I'm so excited. Let's press this dirt down. It's gonna be great. Oh, so excited. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get her a drink. This is my water solution that's got the fertilizer in it. Right now, I am just using an all-purpose plant food, but would really like to try out some new things here coming soon. I saw some on TikTok, the Pure Rive, I believe, or Pure Thrive. I would really like to look into that. But for now, we're working with what we got, and I'm going to give her a real good drink so her soil has enough nutrients and plenty of water for her. And with having this mat on here, we're also able to let it drain out real well. So we're not letting it sit in water. All right, so we're going to go ahead and let her sit here for a little while so she can drain out a little more. We don't want her to sit in water because root rots would be terrible. We ain't trying to root these or rot these roots out at all because, again, wish list plant here. We want this to do real good. So we're just going to let her sit for a little bit to drain out. I'm always seeing people jiggle their plants, so I had to give you a little jiggle. Look how good that is. Ooh! Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed my video, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my new videos. Have a great day, guys.